or insomnia.
Okay, let's take up Anmian, an extra point. Which description most accurately identifies the anatomical location of Anmian?
Midway between Sanjo 17 and GB20, posterior to the ear
Posterior
stroidy.
ear mastoid region. Sa likod ng
During
tenga.
during localization, which sequence is most consistent?
Locate
Locate.
Sanjo 17, locate GB20, identify midpoint.
Okay, wait now. Okay, yun lang pala. Which feature most distinguishes Anmian from a classical channel point?
It is an
Di ba
extraordinary
extraordinary
point rather than a classical channel.
A student states that Anmian is part of the WHO classification of extra points. Which response is most accurate?
Incorrect. It's not part of
Incorrect.
the
Not
whole.
part of WHO classification of extra points.
Which statement best captures the primary clinical identity of Anmian?
Directly
focus, adjust the cam the shem.
Which patient
Makatulog.
presentation most strongly supports adding Anmian?
Anmian.
Kailan ka gagamit ng Anmian?
Tiredness with inability to mentally settle at night.
Paano tusok niyan?
Hindi, pagod siya pero hindi siya makatulog. O hindi
Pwede
siya...
mo massage lang yun.
Pwede ba pressure point na lang yan? Natatakot ako eh.
Pwede. Yes, pwede.
Which TCM...
Before ka matulog.
Sige, go.
Yeah, before ka matulog, massage mo lang siya.
Oo.
Pag nag-yawn ka na, yun na yun.
Nahit mo na yung ano. Oo.
Which TCM mechanism most directly explains the use of Anmian in insomnia?
She becoming unsettled by mental or emotional agitation.
Which sequence best represents the mechanism described for liver qi stagnation associated insomnia?
Liver qi stagnation, emotional constraint, Shen becomes unsettled, difficulty sleeping.
A patient is
Wala ka nang
insomnia accompanied by irritability, headache, and agitation consistent with liver yang rising. Which combination is most appropriate?
Anmian plus GB20 plus liver 3.
Liver 3, GB20.
Which combination is associated with heart fire?
Amyam,
Heart
7, plus PC8.
A patient presents with insomnia, palpitations, anxiety, difficulty settling emotionally. Which combination?
Amyam, heart 7, 56, Yintam. Galing.
Which combination is listed? Remember, yin deficiency insomnia naman.
Pag insomnia.
Imagine, no, darating yung time, magtatanungan tayo, ano klase insomnia niya? Liver qi stagnation associated? Or yin deficiency? Or blood deficiency? Okay, ngayon, yin deficiency insomnia. Anong combination?
Anmian, kidney 3, spleen 6, heart 7.
Yes. Okay, Sir Mark, bakit spleen 6? Di ba tatlo yan lahat?
Spleen 6, yes.
Yeah, kidney, liver, spleen.
Yes.
Very effective. Okay, spleen qi deficiency insomnia. O, di ba may merong mga spleen qi deficiency?
Oo nga, no?
Yes. Ganyan dapat ha. Pag hindi mo kinwalify yung insomnia, budol ka.
Kapag may spleen, kailangan may stomach tayo niyan, magkasama. Amyam,
No,
36, stomach 36, heart 7.
may insomnia, you have to qualify anong pattern ng insomnia niya. So pag hindi ganyan yung pagsagot, hindi natin kasama yan.
26, stomach 36, tsaka heart 7.
Okay. Ito naman, phlegm heat, disturbing the heart. Ang galing pala niya sa phlegm heat.
Papa-flex, stomach 40.
Oo, yan. Onion
So,
PC5
Amian, PC5 ay stomach party.
Yes. Okay. Which statement best expresses the relationship between Anmian and pattern differentiation?
Onion
There is
addresses
the
the
prominent
prominence
manifestation who at other points treat the root patterns.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yan ang ginagawa ni Sir Jobel. Memorize sa lahat ng insomnia. O, di ba? Which point is characterized as the directly focused adjunct?
Onion.
Amian.
Anyan.
Onion.
Primary heart-Shen regulation point.
Art 7.
Art 7.
Yin blood regulation and sleep support.
Spleen 6.
Plane 6.
Really? Okay. Okay, commonly used insomnia combination.
P6.
Insomnia.
Plane 6.
P6. Spleen 6.
Okay, pag may anxiety, restlessness, using an amnia combination.
Amian.
Onion. Heart 7.
Art 7.
PC6.
Art 7, PC6,
Yentang.
Okay.
Actually, pag
Insomnia,
tinusok ko
emotional
yung Amian,
constraint,
makakatulog na pasyente.
liver-related, obvious naman to, no? Very easy question. Answer, dali.
Onion.
Amian,
Liver
liver 3,
three,
PC6.
Okay, which is not among the clinical indications listed for Anmian?
Constipation.
Constipation.
Which symptom cluster characteristic of the broader clinical applications for Anmian?
Insomnia, restlessness, palpitations, headache, dizziness, tinnitus.
Okay, needling method.
0.5.
0.5 to 1 tune
1
vertically
tune
or
vertically
obliquely towards Sanjio 17 and GB
Sa
20.
likod ng tenga, tapos GB20. Kun.
Okay, another section describes anong klaseng general needling.
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular
Open session.
insertion 0.5 1 tune.
Bakit ina-emphasize ang conservative needling sa Anmian?
Because it is located in the posterior auricular and mastoid region.
Which
Sa tenga.
anatomical landmark is important to distinguish Anmian from nearby points? Anong hanapin mo?
Mastoid
Mastoid
process.
process.
Anmian is described as being close to which point, but slightly posterior and superior to it?
Sanjio 17.
No. GB.
12?
GB12.
12?
Which statement about Anmian in GB12 is most accurate? Yun ang kanina.
Ayun kanina. Onion is near GB12 but is positioned posterior and slightly superior.
Yes. Which of the following best describes Anmian's relationship to sleep treatment?
Sleep.
It is particularly useful when insomnia is accompanied by mental overactivity or agitation.
Yeah, marami siyang ginagawa tapos hindi siya makatulog na. A patient says, I am exhausted, but when I lie down, my mind keeps working. Which conceptual interpretation best supports Anmian?
Shen is unsettled despite physical fatigue.
Which statement best represents the role of Anmian in a pattern-based prescription?
Onion is used to address in the sleep manifestation while the underlying pattern receives appropriate treatment.
Which pattern point pairing is incorrect?
Incorrect. Heart,
Kidney
deficiency, Amian, PC5, stomach party.
Which pairing is incorrect?
Incorrect. Liver stagnation, Amian, PC8, Heart 7.
Which clinical scenario most strongly suggests using Anmian as an adjunct rather than as the principal treatment? 0.5 to 1 tune. 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 0.5
Insomnia, where a clear underlying TCM pattern has been identified.
Which phrase most accurately summarizes the deeper clinical significance of Anmian?
Settle the Shen when disturbed mental activity interferes with sleep.
Which symptom is associated with Anmian but would not necessarily define its primary use?
Defined. Tinnitus.
Yes. So wait lang.
Pag tinusok mo, damay na rin si
Wait lang.
tinnitus.
Kainis naman. Bakit tumatawag ka? Okay, saan dito ang which patient would most clearly fit the sleep-focused adjunct concept?
Ang Jack concept. Patient with insomnia plus anxiety and mental overactivity.
Which statement about the evidence for Anmian is most accurate?
Some studies report improvements, but the evidence should be interpreted cautiously.
How should recent case reports concerning Anmian be interpreted?
Interpreted.
As
As
a
suggested,
suggestive
clinical
clinical
evidence that
evidence
should
that
not
should
be
not
interpreted.
be interpreted
Oh,
as definitive proof.
Which statement most accurately describes the relationship between Anmian and Heart7?
Part 7 is characterized as primary heart Shen regulation.
While Anion is sleep focused.
Okay. Which statement best distinguishes Anmian from spleen 6?
Anion is sleep focused, whereas spleen 6 provides gain, blood regulation, and sleep support.
Which treatment principle is most consistent with the final clinical model?
Root pattern treatment should be combined with amian when sleep disturbance is prominent.
A patient has heart kidney and deficiency with insomnia. Which point combination?
Anion plus Liberty plus PC6.
Oh, no.
Ka-amian, heart 7, kidney 3, sleep 6. Kasi kidney, di ba?
Oo, nandiyan
Tama.
na kidney. Okay, letter A. A patient has phlegm heat disturbing the heart and insomnia. Prescription.
Insomnia.
Phlegm.
Disturbing. Phlegm, di
Anion
ba? Stomach
5,
40.
stomach 40.
Basta phlegmatic yan.
Stomach 40 na yan.
Which statement about what the point's name is correct?
Amian
Peaceful
means
sleep.
peaceful sleep. Bongga.
Which of the following represents the best clinical reasoning for adding Anmian in liver yang rising?
It directly addresses the sleep Shen manifestation, while GB20 and liver 3 address the liver-related pattern.
Which statement is most consistent with the clinical significance of Anmian in patients with head-ear symptoms?
Its
It's
locations makes it clinically relevant to sleep plus head, ear, region symptoms.
Which combination most clearly illustrates Anmian being used to calm Shen while addressing anxiety restlessness?
Overall na yan eh. Pag may yintang. Amian, heart 7, 56 yintang.
Which statement best summarizes the overall clinical philosophy of Anmian?
It
Just
is
a
a
modern
modern extra point, particularly useful for settling Shen and supporting sleep, while the underlying TCM pattern should still be treated.
Wow. Amazing.